Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technology Brothers. Today we are going to discuss about text to column feature of Microsoft Excel, which is a very powerful tool. Imagine you have a column of data that's all clamped together like a list of names followed by their corresponding email addresses and so many information, address and so on. Instead of manually separating them to different columns, which can be tedious and time consuming, text to column allows you to quickly split that data into separate columns based on the feature like comma, space, tab and so many things. Let me demonstrate. For example, here you can see a lot of data is given in a single column. Now I want to delete or remove or split the numbers from the sentences or the text. So what will be the easiest way to do it? Just what we can do is we can just select the column, then click on the data tab, click into text to column feature, and after that we have to click on the next. Now you have a lot of options there according to which you can separate the data. You can see the preview in the screen. Now I'm choosing according to my requirement. I want to separate the data based on the full stop given here. There you can see there is a serial number given in the sentences, so I want to separate them all. So what can I do is I am typing full stop. So now you can see here the numbers are separate from the sentences and two separate column has been created. This is how, like if I choose space, then based on each and every space the words has been divided into columns. So actually in this case I do not need it, so I remove it. I just only want to separate the numbers from the sentences, so I just choose dot or I just choose full stop here to do it, and now I will give the finish. Now you can see the number has been separated from the sentences. So that is all about this video today. So see you in the next video. So till then, have a nice time. Bye bye.